Good afternoon. May I have your name, please?
Eric Tippett.
Okay. And what's your company name?
I am co-founder of NASGO. So NASGO, our focus is on digitizing small and medium-sized enterprises without ever writing a single line of code. So we want to make cryptocurrency, digital assets, digitizing your company assets extremely simple, then give you the tools to go use the tokens or cryptocurrency to connect closer to your fans, your followers, or your customers.
That's great. And why you are here today?
Well, Haven invited me and to come and speak and share a little bit more about NASGO. I think we're in a market right now that there is no competition. I don't really see competition. I see everybody's learning from each other. Yeah. Everybody's growing and evolving and collaborating, communicating, innovating together. And so for us, it's a pleasure to go around, meet other companies that have a mission to make the world an open, a fair, a transparent, and trustworthy place. And we're excited to be a part of that.
Okay. Thank you so much for today. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Eric Tippett. I am the co-founder of NASGO. We are focused on digitizing small and medium-sized enterprises without writing a single line of code. So we really want to help small and medium-sized companies digitize their company, digitize their assets to make a more seamless integration to their customers, their fans, their followers, and build one ecosystem for these companies and their customers market.
Awesome, thanks, sir.
It's actually pretty funny to hear all the people up on the discussion panel, hearing people in blockchain how tired we are of blockchain. It's like that damn word again. Well, I think it's just because it's overplayed. And everybody's used that so much in ICOs and things to say they're in the right place at the right time and they're doing ground floor in the blockchain. It's so funny. My wife always kids me. She's like, "Ooh, there's kink in the chain today." For us, I think Laura did a phenomenal job in blockchain explanation. A digital timestamp. Notary's been doing it for years. For us, we're really about user case studies. I mean, it's how do you use blockchain? And I think Laura hit it right on. Everybody, I see these articles that, decentralize everything. The damn government. And, I'm with you. I don't think that's the right way. I think there's things that shouldn't be decentralized. I mean, look at speed in which things need transaction speeds that might need some centralized, and then there's definitely things that should be decentralized. So for me, it comes down to user case studies, user tools. How do we actually start utilizing? Somebody said earlier about who knows how the internet works. I don't think any of us do, but yet we use it every day. And to me, and I think I shared the same sentiment, that we need to start thinking about how are people using it. Start giving them tools to actually utilize something that they can implement, create habits, create connected social responsibility, connected in the world, and it just so happens to be on blockchain. So everybody's got their focus. We all have our expertise, right? And so, I think each person would put it into whatever, if you're a master of everything, you're not a master of anything. So for me, looking at small and medium-sized enterprises, which is 99% of the world, you really got to take it down to that level. What's the pizza shop going to do? And how do you help them drive more business, be more profitable, increase customer retention, increase profit margins? And so for us, I see that as a place to, if you want to get mass market adoption, you need to start making it simple for people in the mass market to start utilizing it. And start, I look at tokenization as a way that's a way to do payment, but also a way to connect you with your customer base, make it to where they can actually engage with you more, feel more even like a partner to you. So I think that's a major place. One that Laura hit is that when we built our blockchain protocol, it took us 3 years, and when we launched, the number one thing that we thought about was social impact. And so we built a delegate POS that makes it to where a delegate on our main chain is actually giving and donating every 17 minutes. So every time there's a block reward, that's giving to a charity. And so I just spoke at actually the UN Summit for Global Social Impact. What an amazing, I will tell you, I was in awe. Here's a room full of people that care about other people more than themselves. It was the coolest conversation I've ever had, like just to be a part of that. But to hear how blockchain and how you can start to create more social impact in the world and connect it through this amazing technology was pretty cool.